Here's my unboxing of my Hypergiant Fast Lock LED landscape lights. They just came today. And I have a ton of landscaping lights, so it is nice to have a better way to connect them, because it always seems like I have to repair them, fix them. I always find spots to add more. I probably have about 100 landscape lights, so I have quite a few. So anyway, this looks like a great design. You know, this is where you're going to tap into the actual wire, low voltage wire that's already, run, unless you're running new wires. And then your light, the actual individual light that you're plugging in, is going to cut, the wire is going to go through here, and then screw down that way as well. This looks like a good screw down method compared to some of the others, because it's a nice sharp single point that's going in. So I hope it goes in as smoothly as it looks like it should, because I've tried different landscape light connectors in the past, and they have not always worked as easy as they should. So there's the directions that kind of show how to do it. Well, that just shows other products they have. But anyway, looks good. I have a tree that fell and broke a couple landscape lights, so I have a couple to repair, and then I'll have to reconnect. So I will go ahead and use these and post a little demo video of me actually using them.